Welcome back to our garage auto detailing stuffs, where we don't do just auto detail, we do stuffs. This episode, we are going to test the subwoofer that we installed in the last episode that you can find right up here. That thing's smoked. So, stick around and let's see if we can tell a difference. Hey guys, welcome back to the studio. Basically, we're in the truck. So if you saw the intro, you saw and heard that this subwoofer, that guy right there, smoked. We don't know who did it, but we're going to fix it. But before we fix it, we're going to test it, right? I'm kind of curious to see, comparing the Alpine subwoofer. Yeah, it's going to put out, it is smoke, but it's going to put out some sound. So I've downloaded a dB meter on the phone. We're going to do a screen capture again. And what we're going to do is we're going to test the SPL level of that subwoofer, and we're going to compare it to the one that you saw me install, because this is part 2. So you saw the install. This is the test. Stick with us. Let's see what happens. And a lot like the last time that we did the testing, we're going to set the phone up in the same spot. We're going to test it before and after. We're going to do the screen capture so that we can see the dB level of this subwoofer. And what we're going to do is we're going to run a 40 hertz test tone. We're going to set all the settings straight across, basically like we did last time. If you watch that video is linked in the description below. Go ahead and watch it where we test the 6x9s. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to run this test. We're going to do it 2 times. If I can get it as loud as possible without, clipping and distortion and whatever. You're probably going to hear it. It's going to make a ton of racket. So let's get going. Shot. See if it makes a difference. Okay, 40 hertz bass note. Let's reset. Well, I'll show you the second run. This app. Let's try it again. Let's reset. Okay, I'm getting 88 again. We will call it 88 max. Okay guys, welcome back. We went ahead and swapped it over. The new goodies in. We're going to do the test. We're going to repeat the test that we did. Let me make sure all of our audio, boom, it's all set flat. We're doing a, 40 hertz test tone. And we're going to do the screen capture for the dB meter. We're going to see, I think we got 88 decibels. Last time with the factory blown subwoofer, that thing made a horrendous noise. So we're going to get started with this. Let's switch over to the screen grab and watch what happens. Let's give this one last shot. Let's see what happens here. This thing was going to outmuscle the factory Alpine. I ran this test several times, a couple different configurations. I couldn't take it to the exact volume that the Alpine was, because now in a 2 ohm load, this thing is seeing a little bit more power. So I don't want to smoke this thing already, but I got close. I did not beat that dB. We only got about 86 with the kicker. We got 88 with the Alpine. So I would say I did not get any louder, but it's not blown. It's not smoked like the other one. So it was a success, and it took me like an hour to put in, but you watched it in like 12 minutes. Speaking of, I hope you watched it. It's either in the description or it's up here. So I hope you liked part 2. I did not think this was going to be the result, so I am surprised. I hope you guys got a little something out of this. If not, well, maybe next time, I guess. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's make some more videos together. All right.